What are you going to be doing?
I'm going to go back to the army, um, and let them know that I am all healed up and I've got my armor and weapons and I am ready to help them out with their issue.
Well, when as soon as you get to back to there, and they tell you to head down to the passages underneath the town to help deal with the issue down there.
Right. I'm going to do a perception check. And that is a 7.
You don't really notice anything.
Hmm. Mm,
When you first come in here. It
Um,
just looks like an ordinary underground tunnel. You just
I
you notice some things at the north, and that's really about it.
um I'm going to check out I think I might do another perception check. Okay, that's an 11.
You notice, or you perceive that it's well built, a couple of cobwebs here and there, but nothing out of the ordinary.
Um, I'm going to I'm gonna go and do a investigation check on the nearest cobweb.
The nearest cobweb would be just here.
Okay.
And you notice with this cobweb that it's rather large.
Um, I'm going to do an investigation check of the room I'm currently in. That is a 7.
7. You notice that the cobweb that you'd been looking at has been here for about a year, maybe a little longer.
Um, I'm going to touch the cobweb.
Okay. As you touch the cobweb, it moves a little with your touch, and you hear a screech.
no. Um, I'm gonna do a perception check. That is a 3.
You know it's a screech, but you don't know where the screech is coming from or what's causing the screech.
Well, that's not good. I am going to step away from the cobweb. Um, I am going to. I'm going to then go into the center of the room and gonna basically just look around.
You hear a scuttling sound.
Um, yeah, I'm gonna do another perception check. It's a 15.
You notice from around this corner is where the scuttling sound is coming from.
I am gonna do the classic dumb person thing and I'm going to go investigate it.
As you get round the corner and get to down here, you see this lovely creature.
Oh, that's not good. Is there any torches or anything nearby?
No,
Okay. I am going to carefully approach this massive creature.
it's going to try go for a bite, and it only got a 6. So roll for initiative. So in your character sheets, it'll say initiative.
Okay, so that is 18 plus 2, that's 20.
Hang on, back a minute. Now, what does that look like? Go between. Okay. Oh.
So you get to attack first.
Okay, I am going to attack the head. It's going to be
A 2 will miss. Spider's turn.
Oh no.
He's going to try bite. And he will miss. Your turn.
I am going to go for one of its legs.
The on-off button on the dishwasher is exactly the same height as the arm on the wheelchair.
It's an 11.
Oh no, I've done it before too. I turned it on.
And are you using the short sword or?
I am using the short sword, yes.
So that'll be a +4, so that'll be 15, and that hits.
Finally, I land a hit on something.
So roll your d6 +2.
I've got a very tall right shoulder.
It is a 6 in
6.
total.
So you cut off one of its legs.
Nice.
It screeches and goes for a bite, and he will just miss.
Oof. I am going to aim for another leg. And I'm going to use the short sword as well. A 14.
+4, that's 18, that hits.
And then a d6 for damage, isn't it?
Yes,
That'll be 2.
that'll be 4, being a +2.
Oh, yeah.
Spider's turn. He will miss. Back to you.
I am going to aim for a leg. Gonna see if I can at least outbalance it. That is an 8. That is 18.
That's 22. So that definitely hits.
And a d6. That is a 6 in total.
The spider is now wobbling and losing blood rapidly. Tries to bite and misses.
I am going to try and cut off the pincers. Oh god.
That will miss. Tries to bite you again. And that will hit. For only 4 damage.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. I am going to see if I can cut off another leg.
That will hit.
Damage is 4.
It's now missing some legs and still bleeding out. It tries to bite and misses. It's found a crack in the floor and is stuck in the floor. So it's prone, so you get attack with advantage. So that means you roll 2d20s and take the higher.
Okay. That's going to be an 8.
8 plus 4, that's 12, and that will just miss. It's still trying to take its mouth out of the gap, and it can't quite get it out, so it's your turn again, still with advantage.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to go with the 3.
That will miss. He gets his mouth out of the crack and goes to bite you again, and immediately bites the crack again.
Oh. Okay.
Give me a minute. With the 15 plus 4, 19, that will hit.
Okay. Damage. That is a 3.
3 o'clock, I've told you, 3 o'clock I have to go and get my glasses. And then Marnie and I are going to do a shop at the Woolworths at the Marina Fair.
It is now heavily damaged. And it's got its mouth out and it will miss.
I am going to aim for yet another leg. A 17.
That hits.
And for damage, that is going to be a 5 altogether. Alright, Shannon, did I sugar my tea? I don't think I did. Just bring me.
It's dead.
Oh.
You get 200 experience from that.
I don't know. I was going to try and see if they had any lamb shanks. I was going to see
Let me help you with the... Yes, I've got your character sheet up in my thing, so to help you out a little. So now that you've killed this spider, what you going to do?
I am going to see if I can spot any more spiders. It is a nat 1.
You notice nothing else in here. You don't see any other spiders or hear any other things.
Okay, I think I might try that one again. That is a nat 20.
Okay, you notice that there is no other spiders.
Okay. I am going to head back to the army to let them know I've taken care of their spider problem.
Okay. You get up to where the army is, and you tell them that their spider issue is done. And the main guy says, "You're what?"
I've taken care of the spider problem, and as per our agreement, will you come with me to talk to the Yeti?
You killed the spider?
Yep. Don't believe me? You can go down and look at its corpse.
How about this? How about we go check this other place? Because I heard there might be something there, but not quite sure. But it could be worth it to check it out.
All right.
So if you follow us, we'll show you where it is.
All right, but if you do anything that I see as an attack, I will not hesitate to attack right back.
I don't know what he's going to see. But they both normally go out Saturday morning. Monday goes 9 to 12 and he goes 9:30 to 12:30. But he's going to go to the movies. And there's no movies that time in the morning. And I was going to go Monday night, but the guy his boss wanted him to work. And he keeps telling his boss he doesn't want to work Monday, so she keeps making him work Mondays. But it's stupid.
So the guard tells you go down into this area, and the guard tells you to follow him.
All right, lead the way.
All done by 7. And that'll be that, I guess.
And he leads you
3 o'clock.
into this room.
You'll be able to see a little bit better, which will be good.
I am going to do a perception check.
The samples are good.
It's going to be a nat 20 again.
It was really thorough.
You notice that there is a chest and some other stuff scattered around at this end of the room,
Mm-hmm.
but you're not quite sure what the stuff is.
I know.
I'm going to do an investigation check
Catch up on all the
on the
housework
chest.
lazy housekeepers do. You know, things that
The 7.
done that she's too lazy.
It looks like an ordinary chest.
Clean out the tray in the oven because nobody thinks to clean it, only me. And the door on the oven, because nobody thinks to clean it, but the dishwasher and
I'm going to
obviously it's too hard.
see if it is rigged up to anything that could be a trap. That is a natural 1.
It does not seem to be trapped in any way, from what you can tell.
What can they do in an hour?
I might have a look at what's scattered around. Is another nat one.
You can't make out what it is, what the stuff is, but it's just piles of stuff.
I'm gonna turn my attention back to the chest and double check that it isn't rigged. That is a 2.
You can tell that it's a chest and not sure if it's rigged or not.
Like things like down the cupboards, like down the clean the fridge. Yeah, clean the fridge.
Is it a tiled floor or is it just cobblestone?
Cobblestone.
Okay. I'm gonna see if I can find a pressure plate. That is a 19.
You do not find a pressure plate.
Okay, that's good. At least it won't trigger anything that way. I'm gonna check the chest again because I still don't trust it. Nat 20.
As you check the chest, you don't find any traps, but you do feel something moist.
Oh, that's gross. I'm gonna have a look at what it is.
So you're opening the chest. Okay. Roll for initiative.
Oh boy, here we go. That is a 15. Okay, so 15 plus 3, that's a 17 altogether.
I end up with, 5 loads of washing. And it takes you that long to do it, it's too late to hang it out.
So
Well, do what I've got. Get an air dryer and hang it in a spare room. Well, I flatly refuse to use my dryer
the
for emergency.
top of the
I just hang it on the dryer and
chest lid tries to come down and bite your hand.
Oh
Don't need to hang it outside. I've got a rack, a drying rack.
And you would just move your hand out of the way just in time.
You stuffing one of the spare rooms? No, it's mine dry.
I am going to see if it is a mimic. Which I have a horrible feeling that it is.
Well, mine dries during
That is 17 plus. Yeah, it's just a 17.
It's a mimic.
I knew it. I knew it. I am going to take the hand axe and bring it straight down into the middle of it.
Might take 2 days for their hoodies to dry.
That is a 4. Ooh.
What, now you're going to come and
That misses.
Yeah, well, what if I said no, back off?
The mimic
You want something?
now goes to use its
You don't get to do this.
tongue to grab onto you.
No.
And it does.
I get a bit over people just talking to me when I want something.
So you are now restrained by the mimic.
I don't care. No bloody
Can I still move my hands?
fabulous.
Yes, but if you go to attack, it'll be at disadvantage.
Mm,
And I don't care if you sit and stare at me. I'm impervious.
I'm gonna risk it.
I don't care.
I'm gonna
Stare
attack.
at me all day. I do shit.
Oh, disadvantage.
Never
You
ending.
roll the attack dice again
Yeah.
and take the lower one.
Okay, so
I was one of those parents that just start their kids to death.
hang on.
Why couldn't I just be one of those
No, I
parents
don't
that
want
just
D6.
starve their kids to death? Just didn't bother feeding them.
So that's 2d20, isn't it?
Yes. So just roll one more d20.
Would have saved me a lot of effort and boy. Just fucking starve them. Just
Oh, hang on.
starve to death. I'll feed you.
That is. Oh, I didn't mean d6. I'm saying d20.
Yeah, that's right. And then I can go to jail and then they'll look after me and feed me 3 times a day.
I can't figure out how to get rid of the d6s.
Oh, most of them do. Most of them do.
Just roll that and then we'll disregard it.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna take the 5.
Yeah, so your lower one would be the 4 because it's a disadvantage.
Yep.
So you'd miss.
Okay.
The guard sees this and comes up
Now I've got salami here.
and now engages.
You're going to rack off. Now that you've had your salami, you're going, are you? All right.
And so he will be next to go. And of course, the only thing he has is his spear. And he will miss. The mimic then
You're doing nothing. So,
detaches itself from you
that's just what I do.
and grapples. Or it goes to grapple the guard.
Pretty close.
And he'll just manage to get the rest of the guard.
Hmm.
And it's your turn, and you will get advantage on the attack rolls because the guard and the mimic are grappled.
I am going to see if I can use my axe and slice through the tongue.
Okay?
Yeah, she got to.
So that's just 1d20, isn't it?
That's the only time she's
Because you've got advantage, it's 2d20.
Okay.
spoken to me since she got back from having a haircut yesterday. She didn't even come in on the bed last night. She's been nowhere near
The 18 hits.
smelt the salami and she was out here like a shot out of a gun and she had a salami and she pissed off
Then
me.
for damage,
I know what I'm good for.
it is 4 and it's plus 2, isn't it?
Yes.
So that's a 6.
You start to get through its tongue, but it doesn't quite slice all the way through. And the
It's my birthday today. I think everybody's forgotten.
the guard misses with both its attacks,
But I get any consideration.
or with its attack.
I'll make their lunch
At
off.
disadvantage, the mimic bites down on the guard's hand and does some damage to the guard. Your turn.
I am going to see if I can finish cutting all the way through the mimic's tongue. So I'm still on advantage, right?
Yes.
Okay. I will take the 17.
So that will hit.
And for damage, it will be 4.
Again, you've done some damage, so you're slicing through it bit by bit, but it's still not quite through tongue. And the guard will just hit with his disadvantage shot with a spear. And will do 5 damage to the mimic. And the mimic will then try bite down again. And will miss. And it's your turn.
Okay. I'll take the 17 and I will still see if I can get through the tongue. And damage. That is a 3.
You're slowly chipping away through the tongue. Not quite getting through.
At least you don't even have to open your front door. Answer somebody. Somebody knocks on the door. You just open the.
And the guard will miss. Mimic goes to bite, and he will miss. And it's your turn.
Okay. I'll take the 14.
Yeah, that will hit.
And it'll do 6 damage.
You don't quite fully get through the tongue, but it's starting to hang a little further than what it should be. The guard will miss with his spear. The mimic will miss with its bite, and it's your turn.
Okay. I am going to take the 8.
And that will miss. Guard's turn. He will miss. The mimic will miss. And it's your turn again.
I will take the 11.
That just misses.
Oh, damn.
The guard misses. The mimic will then try to latch whatever tongue it's left onto you, and it misses and catches the axe, which will do 5 damage, and it slices its own tongue off.
Nice.
And now it's your turn.
I am going to pick up the axe and I am going to swing it dead center.
Okay.
And I will take the 14.
The 14 hits.
That is a 2.
And you've got a +2, so that's 4. Okay, so where were we at? You just attacked it and did a little bit of damage, right?
Yeah.
Guard's turn. Going to try Spirit's eyes, and it hits. And he's using both hands for this. And he does 6 damage to it. And because now the mimic doesn't have his tongue anymore, he can't use it for a weapon. And he will miss biting you. Your turn.
Okay, I'm going to still go dead center. And I will take the 20.
20 hits.
More damage. It's going to be 4 plus 2, 6 damage.
And now the spear attack from the guard will miss. Mimic's turn. Going for the bite. He will miss. And now, because it's no longer engaged with anything, you just do your normal roll.
Yeah. That is a 4.
That will miss. Guard is going to poke another eye and will miss. Actually, no, he'll hit. He will do 5 damage. And now the mimic will go for another bite on you and will miss. And now it's your turn.
Okay. That is a 2.
That will miss. Going to spear the eyes again. And he will miss. Mimic will now turn to him and try to bite him. And will miss. Your turn.
That is a 19.
That will hit.
Okay. Damage, that is 3. That is 5 damage.
And he's going to try spirit again. He hits, doing 4 damage, killing it.
Nice.
And then he turns to you and says, "Now, shall we end this here? And now or later?"
I'm gonna ask if they wanted me to come down here for a specific reason.
We don't like your kind around here.
So you're hoping that I will fail and I will end up being killed?
Not fail, but dying part sounds about right.
You guys are getting more and more suspicious in my eyes the more you talk.
and he brings his spear up to your throat.
I will do the same with my axe.
He's poking a little harder, trying to draw blood.
I am going to try to intimidate him.
Roll an intimidation check.
That will be a 15.
He doesn't quite get intimidated.
I am going to I'm going to try to pick him up by the shoulders.
Okay, roll strength check.
That's a 2.
You fail to pick him up. He draws his spear back and goes to thrust.
I'm going to grab the spear.
He will miss you anyway with his attack.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can take his spear off him. That'd be strength, wouldn't it?
Yes.
Okay, that will be an 11.
You just managed to pull his spear away from him. And as he does, I'll need you to roll damage on your axe.
Okay. So my axe is 3 plus 2. That's 5.
He dies by landing on your axe.
I did not intend on killing him, but okay.
After the battle with Mimic, he only had 5 health left.
Fair point. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go back up.
As you get back up to here and into where the guards are and the town's army, the other guard's like, "Where's the leader?"
I'm going to ignore his question and go, which one of you killed all of those Yeti?
We did it in self-defense.
That was not my question.
We all did damage, but it was in self-defense. For us.
Who dealt the final blow?
Can't tell for sure. It was too hectic.
Very well. If you'd kindly step out of my way, I would like to go find the Yeti.
As you see, we're standing in the door. We're not in your way.
Okay. I'm just gonna walk around them and go see if I can find the Yeti.
Little Miss Suck up here.
Oh my goodness.
Chance you sucker.
Oh goodness.
Big floof ball.
Big ball of fluff.
Yeah. So as you head off, you end up with the Yeti.
I am going to tell the Yeti that if he wishes to go after the army, I will not stop him.
If that's what your wish is, I'm not going to stop.
They very much do deserve it.
And I think that's where we will end this one shot. The main guard that you killed was the one that did it all.